This series provides some great guides when you don't know what to do in the posterior dentition.
So when I came out of dental school into foundation training, I had all these words flying about and I didn't know what any of them meant, and all these different styles of restorations. We had things such as full coverage crowns, which is what I was taught in dental school, and that's pretty much all we did. Everybody got a gold crown, or if they wanted white, they got a PFM. There wasn't much option available. We didn't really have a lot of teaching in adhesive dentistry and minimally invasive dentistry, and it kind of makes sense because dental school is just getting you ready for the basics, and then it's up to you to really build up on that skill set.
Do I do crown preps, direct restorations, onlays, or something else?
Indirect versus direct. I think as a young dentist, that was one of the main things that everybody struggles with, and I did as well. What's the point where a direct restoration goes to an indirect? When do we go from a filling to an onlay and to a crown? And we will discuss that.
In this series, Dr. Syed Qasim talks about decision making, especially when there are too many options.
A lot of the times as dentists, we are guilty of giving too many options to the patient.
We review all the factors and use case examples to show how these play a role.